nature. A very sad incident happened today. A very big rat snake entered our lovebirds' cage and caught one lovebird, Lutino chick. This is my rare and blue. They look really cute and beautiful. I just love them. This is our Lutino lovebird's nest. Oops, sorry, my sister's after. As you know, all the yellow birds here belongs to my sister. She has named them Pinky, Lolly, and the chicks are Muthu, Ruttu, and Tuttu. Tuttu is still inside. Did you see the chick standing on the pot? That's our Muthu, the hero of this video. He was standing just like that when the snake was attacking Tuttu, who was inside the pot. I still wonder how our Muthu escaped from the snake. The first one to spot the snake was my little sister over here, and she was so scared when the head of the snake was into her little bird's nest. At that time we saw that and we could barely see this chick. Oh, look at that poor chick. He's still in that shop.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile, but no, that means I'll have to leave.
This is the first time I am holding a baby bird in my hand. I tried our level best to cheer him up. I think no one else has danced like this to cheer up a little bird. How tight it's holding to my hand. അതവിടെ കിടക്കാം.
Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute I want to change my mind, cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits, I want to see you smile.
I think I'm the one other bird of this little bird. It's like I'm feeling like I'm giving protection to this bird. Okay. It's very active. It's okay. It's okay.
Lately, I've been thinking. I want you to be happy.
തങ്കു അത്ര വേണ്ടടാ.
To be happier. When the morning comes, let me see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind, not the
പിന്നെ
fire.
നീ എന്തുവാണെങ്കിലും കുത്തി പറിച്ചു ഒന്ന് മണ്ണിൽ തേക്കാനാടാ. ഒന്ന് തിരിഞ്ഞാടാ, ഒന്ന് തിരിഞ്ഞ്.
'Cause with all that has happened, I think
It is remembering the players which I captain to save.
then only for a minute. I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirits. I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave.
Now it's almost 1 hour, and the chick is big a bit cheerful. Now let's put it back with its parents.
We pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, away from the wreck we
It went up here, alone walking up.
I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel
So
right to me. I want to raise your spirit.
Let's go, kid. Oh my gosh. It seems like it don't want to go to it with its parents. It's sticking with me. Hi, sweetie. Bye. Go. Come on. It's not going.
Lately,
Why is it not going from my
I want you to be happy.
Go.
I want you to be happy.
Go to your mama and papa. Go.
Even though I
Go to your mama and papa. Go.
think that you'll be happier.
Come on. This should not
Be
happen. Go.
happier. Then
Go, my dear. കൈ കാണിച്ചു നോക്ക് പിന്നെ വരണം കേട്ടോ. Now the little baby bird is safe with its parents. Bye bye from Blue Channel. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Bye bye from Blue Channel. Okay, bye, Anita.